Hello guys, today we're gonna be working on a fuel filter. To be able to get to the fuel filter, you need to move the filter cabin, which is located right here. I already did that. See? And you need to remove certain cables. I'm guessing the airlines, other little things here and there. And then to be able to get to the last with the screw, you need to remove this screw. But to be able to get to that, you need to remove two more there down here. And then that should be it. After that, you should be able to replace it. I used about my micro guard from O'Reilly's. It was only 12 bucks. That's not bad at all. But this filter has been here for 26 years, so it's the factory one, so it needs to be replaced. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like the video.